In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect just markets to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the dashboard, you want to go to My Accounts tab at the very top left, and here you want to select if you want to connect a real or a demo account. I'm going to go ahead and continue with demo, but of course, it's up to you which one you choose. The process is pretty much the same. Now, whenever you do this here, click on Open New Account. Make sure you do select MT4 up top, and then you can select whichever account you want and do either Open Real or Try Demo. After that, put in your currency, leverage the trading password and the set balance you want to have, and then you will see your account here on the list. So if you go to My Accounts, it's going to be here under the list of your accounts. Now, from here, what you're going to have to do is you want to click on the Trade button next to your account here. So MT4, I'm going to click on Trade. And then here you could either use the MetaTrader or you can download and install the platform. So of course that's completely up to you. The process is pretty much similar. So if you decide to download it, you can then just install it, which is literally just a click of two buttons. And then when you do it, you'll be able to sign in, or you could go with the MetaTrader, which I'm going to do right now because it's quicker, and click on MT4 MetaTrader. There we go. It's going to pop you in. Your account is already going to be listed, the server as well. All you have to do is type in your password. So the password, the one you set for your account, click on OK. And when you do this over here, as you can see, I'm now successfully signed in and connected to MT4, and I can go ahead and start trading. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.